We just finished up this 2018 Dodge Charger. It was brought in today to do a set of HID headlights, a Viper security system with remote start, and the window tint all the way around. The Viper remote start with security system is an add-on to the factory remote. This is the Viper security ds4. Have them in stock ready to go. Now the factory remote is the alarm system. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. And as soon as I hit the vehicle, it'll set it off. And we'll shut it down. There are the HIDs. And the last part is the remote start. This is the factory remote start. And there it is. Viper add-on security with remote start to the factory remote. HIDs, LEDs, window tint. Everything is in stock and ready to go. Come by the shop, check us out. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. 2018 Dodge Charger. We'll see you guys on the next one.